Pricewaterhouse organizando un seminario titulado Compliance and Asset Management, etapa anticipar risco ng pagyegan ng mejor oportunidad. Un seminario diseñado especialmente para instituciones financieras y entidades ng kutakaibaw de supervisión de Banco Central. Adicionalmente, Pricewaterhouse está organizando también el seminario titulado Strategic Workforce Planning. Lo discutí fórmula para desarrollar estratégica kumiho kuta quadra dengan meta ng empresarial y ambición de una organización. Pricewaterhouse a suministrar el paquete informativo aquí.
Linda, can you tell me what is strategic workforce planning?
Yes, strategic workforce planning is a methodology to align the policy of the future of the board of an organization together with the HR policy of your employees working for your company. So to see whether your current workforce and the workforce that is developing into the future, if that aligns with the strategy of the future.
Can you also tell me some concrete examples where strategic workforce planning is of added value for an organization?
Yes, of course. In the Netherlands, we applied strategic workforce planning at different organizations. We did some assignments, or we gave some advices to organizations within the public sector, but also on corporate organizations, both in the financial sector and not financial sector. There are some questions which are relevant for almost all companies. For example, what's the effect of the increasing in retirement age, but also the effect of aging of my population. But there might also be more company-specific issues. For example, how do I manage to get more women in the top of my organization? Do I need to take some extra measures to get there? So yeah, that's what we did in the Netherlands, and now I'm wondering, how do you see we can apply this in the Dutch Caribbean?
Yeah, in the Netherlands we applied strategic workforce planning to the larger organizations, but nevertheless I think strategic workforce planning is also applicable to Aruba. Why is that? Well, for example, in Aruba also there the pension age is increasing, so you have to identify what the consequences are for your workforce and for the possibility to execute your strategy. Another example is the hospital. The hospital wants to know how is my medical resources developing, and can I maintain the quality of the medical aid, of the medical services in Aruba. That's not only a question for the hospital, but it's a question for the whole isle, because medical services, medical aid needs to stay up to standard.
Mm-hmm. And do you see other possibilities to apply this within the Dutch Caribbean except for the medical sector?
Yes, for example, there are organizations where the personnel development is very low. There's almost no outflow, so that means that there's also no inflow of talent. There's new talent coming from the Netherlands, highly educated people that you want to integrate in your organization. So you have to think about, although the workforce is quite stuck, how can I integrate these new people in my organization to make sure that I'm ready for the future. Another thing is, you should have a more integral view on your personnel planning on the island. Why is that? Probably there are some sectors where economic growth is expected, like for example tourism. Maybe there's other sectors where that are shrinking, so less personnel is necessary there. So maybe you can exchange personnel between sectors.
And why would it be beneficial for me to visit the Strategic Workforce Planning Seminar?
Well, because we're speaking there about what is strategic workforce planning. We will also give some concrete examples, practical examples, how we applied strategic workforce planning in the Netherlands. And we also look at some concrete examples for the Dutch Caribbean. How can you apply within the small isles of the Dutch Caribbean? How can you apply strategic workforce planning? As PwC, we developed a model. With this model, we give insights in measures taken, and what do these measures, what kind of consequences do they have for your workforce and for your ability to execute your strategy. And so I think it's very worthwhile for boards of directors, for HR people, to come to the seminar and discuss with us about strategic workforce planning. And so therefore I want to invite everyone to come to our seminar and to discuss with us the topic strategic workforce planning.